Assalamu alaikum. It's your Nomad Consultant here with my boy Ahmed. How you doing?
I don't know if the lens is in the front or the back.
No, as you can see,
Okay, so
yeah. So now you can do your own little shout out. Here we go. We're gonna check out a place called Morocco. Yeah, it's actually it's not spelled with an M-O, it's an M-A. So I'm gonna just simply, I don't know if you can hear me with the ocean in the back. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures. Ahmed, any questions on your side?
Nope.
Good to roll?
Good to roll.
Let's do this. Yes. So Nomad Consultant here. See, my boy Ahmed likes to walk. Unfortunately, I need to rest once in a while, yeah. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is enjoy this nice, how would you say, afternoon. It's not as sunny as it was yesterday, but I get to at least, you know, not have to use my coat. There's no rain. We're gonna go check out a few places, get some bit of food to eat, treat ourselves to some ice cream, because you know you can't come to the beach without some ice cream, you know. So yeah.
And they say it's good. They say it's good.
They say well, apparently we've been recommended this place called Morocco, but there was a queue, so we're not in a rush for that. We're gonna just right now go take some other photos as we are, as proper touristy effects, and then go back for some food. All right, till the next time, peace and love.
Peace.
Take care. Okay, time to do what I love to do. If I can actually pick up a stone, I'm gonna throw the stone. You ready? That was rubbish. It's meant to skip. Okay, let's try another one. Yeah, let's try this one, okay? Let me try and skip it now. You ready? Only two. Okay, last one. So three's my lucky number. Let me try a nice flat one. You know, this is not flat, but it's okay. Last one, here we go. Ready? Alright, that's enough, man. Peace out. Nomad Consultant for life. Where did it go, man? It's okay. Don't worry. Personal consumption, ya habibi. Personal consumption. Oh, shit.
Okay, let me find one and then we can go again.
Mesh. Okay, I'm gonna just film a little bit. Alright, are we ready? Alright.
It's not the right one.
Alright. Let's try and find one here. Let me get my coat. Okay, here we go. Watch out the water. Any words?
Bismillah.
That's the best word in the world. Go. Hey, don't worry, it happens.
Okay, let's try this one.
Oh, nice. You did more than me, man. 3. It's nice. Oh, nice. Nice. Shout out to Ahmed.